So this is on my phone. Quality won't be as good. I really should carry my phone around, or my camera around with me more, but I want to show you what is happening in the shop right now. Just a real quick show and tell. I don't have any before, but check this out. New paint, new pieces inside. They're gonna be doing tires, rims, painting, but yeah, they're getting this all fixed up. It's gonna be like new.
And we just did the engine.
Oh, you just did the engine too? Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's a big deal.
Fresh overhaul.
Engine's got an overhaul and paint. They even painted the tire or the tractor weights. So anyway, I know some of you really get excited about these old case tractors, and we do too. So I think this is the first one we've like really redone though. They put in this jump seat, a new driver's seat, new panels there. The door has new panels on it. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you kind of some of the stuff going on. I came into the shop by the warehouse to get some potatoes because we are going through a box of potatoes a month right now with all this crazy virus stuff going on in the world. But I'm gonna sit on the thing. They put a new stereo and speakers in, so that will be really nice when we're driving it. I think what they're doing is gonna use this for the baler for the hay. So anyway, I'm excited. Look at this. Like, this floor is, I mean, obviously there's a few things on the floor, but it's always so hard to keep clean when you're actually using the equipment because it gets so much sand in it. Oh, there we go. I'm focused. So yeah, we're excited. There's a bunch of parts over there all painted red. Is this part of the tractor? Yes, it is. You can just smell the paint. Anyway. Very fun. There's the old fuel truck. They're working on it. And they've got a 10-wheeler in here. Last time I was here, there was a big truck in this spot too, but it's been moved out, so anyway, there's the shop. If you guys like videos about farming, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this little peek inside the shop.